guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Stacy and I enjoy vlogging things I like to do and travel, and again just different types of things that I find interesting on the daily. Today we are coming to the Mirage. It's a casino here in Las Vegas, and with me I have my nieces. Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
My name's Elena. I'm a local here in Vegas.
Hi, my name is Ali and Elena's my sister.
Alright, so for those of you who may not know, the Mirage is closing. In fact, it is closing on July 17th after 34 years after being part of the Strip. So we are going to go into the casino and we are going to hopefully get to see the show. Right now it is 9:43. The last show is at 11, but they do a show I believe every hour, so we're hoping to catch the 10 p.m. show. So one of the main reasons that the Mirage holds a very special place in our hearts is because my dad actually has worked here for 34 years this year, and it is the casino that held our family together, fed us, and literally gave us all the opportunities to live a life that maybe we wouldn't have been able to live if we would have lived elsewhere and my dad wouldn't have worked here. So we are sad to see it go, but we are really excited to go and say our goodbyes and just enjoy it while it's still here. So come and join us while we walk around and kind of show you guys around what it looks like and also reminisce a little bit. Alright, so right now we are crossing the bridge into the Mirage. Alright, so upon entering, we said the number one thing. What is it? Allie, what'd you say? Literally the smell. It has a certain smell. My dad has always smelled like this whenever he would come home. My God, apparently the escalators are not on.
I worked at this place. It was called.
So right here on the right, it's the Capri Lounge. Back in my day, that used to be the One Oak Club. So this is what they're expecting to build instead now. Concierge. Alright, so one of the features here in the Mirage that has been very, very famous was the aquarium. So it may not seem like much to many people, but this is actually a really, really big tank right here. So right now we are heading outside for the Volcano show. Alright, we're waiting for the show to begin, but we've been talking about how there's ducks in here and we wonder if they stay while the show's on. We're pretty sure they just leave, but we'll see. So we just watched the show. What did you guys think about it?
It was good.
It was good? Is it your first time watching it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not my first time watching it. I've seen it a couple of times before, but I always feel like it gives me goosebumps whenever I see it. Have you seen it before, Elena?
I have, but it's been a couple years since we last came where I've seen it. So it was a good memory.
It is. It's a good memory. But am I the only one who got goosebumps at the end?
No.
No? Did you guys get goosebumps too?
No.
No, you didn't get goosebumps. I guess it's just me. All right, let's go. All right, next up, we're going to the magical siren. Let's go. Come on, guys. All right, do you guys want to do that? No? You do? Okay. All right. So they say that if you touch the siren's breasts, it is for good luck. All right, Allie, your turn. Go. All right. All right, we're wishing for good luck, right? No? Okay, you're good. All right, let's go. All right, so all these plants are actually real plants. Where there are waterfalls, so we are going to walk just a little bit around. Alright, so here is where you usually see the Beatles show. So if you have tickets to delay, I highly recommend. People can go by. Entering the love show. A Chihuly glass. And then Costa Osteria. There's the pantry. Essentials. So around here, this is where the Kardashians used to have their other. It used to be called Chaos. Alright girls, so how's the ice cream rated? So Elena, what did you get?
I got vanilla bean and a cone.
Okay.
It's a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? What are you comparing it to?
Well, it's not ice cream, it's sorbet, and I don't really like sorbet.
It is sorbet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What other ice creams do you like? Like from La Michoacana or something?
Just vanilla or limon.
Okay. What about you, Allie?
I got a cookies and cream in a cup. It's a 10 out of 10.
Okay. And what are you comparing it to? La Michoacana? Are you Haagen-Dazs or a store-bought ice cream? Alright, sounds good. And I didn't get any, guys. I'm dieting. All right, walking these halls brings back so many memories. All right, one in particular is the California Pizza Kitchen. My family and I would always come here to eat. All right, so this is what they have here. Let's try one of their pressed juices. All right, so I ended up buying the sweet citrus cold pressed juice. It has apple, pineapple, lemon, and mint. Let's see how good it is. This is actually really, really good. I've never had this before, but it's definitely a must try. So we actually got something to take home. I got this double cake. This cake is huge, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. It makes my mouth water. Alright. Starbies. And then this is Diablo's Cantina. Alright, so we finally made it to the car. So thoughts. What did you feel? What did you think, Elena?
It was pretty nostalgic. Brought me back to when I was younger. Yeah. And it felt nice to walk through one last time. Or maybe the last time.
Well, you guys might come back, right?
Yeah.
Alright. What about you, Allie? How'd you feel?
It was pretty good. I think for me as a first timer coming, it was actually, with the volcano was actually really cool. But yeah.
You thought the volcano was really cool? I thought the volcano was really cool too.
The big flame.
Yeah, the big flame. Okay. So definitely at the end there was a huge flame. It definitely gives you goosebumps if you've never seen it before. You can feel the heat. You can feel the water kind of like spraying towards you. You can smell it. It's just it's definitely going to be missed, and I don't know why they're taking it away. I wish they weren't. I wish this staple of a casino would just stay forever, because I feel like it's definitely one of those casinos that, along with Steve Wynn, who made it and was one of the most amazing bosses, owners, whatnot, I think it's going to be really, really hard for the Mirage or the casinos to literally replace this one staple. The Mirage was literally like top notch. So for it to even be close to being like another casino being built and being half of what this casino is, it's gonna take a lot. So it's definitely nostalgic for me. Growing up, this is all I've known my dad to be working in, and I feel very proud of him for having stayed this long in this casino to bring us all those opportunities that we had growing up. Seeing Siegfried and Roy, they're no longer here. It was the original Tiger King. They were the original Tiger Kings, along with the Secret Garden. I teach and I used to bring my students all the time to the Secret Garden on field trips because they used to fund it. So I'm definitely going to miss everything. It's not here now, so I cannot make like a vlog about it, but I'll post some pictures following the vlog of like when I used to come and I used to see the dolphins, and they used to have like lions, the white lions, and just tigers for show. And it was just, it's been an amazing casino. Like I said, for them to try to build something close to what this casino is, it's definitely going to be very, very hard. But let's see what they have in mind. And I just want to say, if you've made it this far in my vlog, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you would consider subscribing, please do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.